And in today's technology report, Gibson Kawago, the founder of Waga, a Tanzanian tech startup addressing energy shortages in the nation, is currently on a US tour engaging entrepreneurs, leaders, and members of the diaspora. Kawago is one of the entrepreneurs that met and showcased his products to US Vice President Kamala Harris during her recent visit to Tanzania. And we're pleased to have Mr. Kawago visit us in studio today. Gibson, welcome to Africa 54, man.
Thank you so much.
Let's delve into it. You are in the US, you've done a lot of meet and greets. Let's jump straight into that. What has come out of these meet and greets and why are you on US?
The main game to come to the US for the meet and greet, I wanted to meet different stakeholders in the battery industry, and I'm happy to meet the diaspora community, where we had a great coordination from Peter Ligat and engineer Walter Minja, where I've been meeting with them, looking at how the technology here in US is advanced and how Waga from Tanzania can access and we can come together to put more impact in the African side.
Talk to us a little more about the operations of Waga and how it's helping Tanzania as a nation.
The best part, Waga, what we do, we help eliminating or reducing electronic waste in Tanzania. So we collect laptop batteries which are poorly trashed, we process them, and we make Waga power packs that help people in rural populations power up their homes, watch TVs, listen to radios, charge mobile phones, opposed to using kerosene lamps that have been polluting the environment and the diesel generators. So we provide clean and affordable energy to the people.
Now, that seems to be one of the biggest issues on the continent itself, energy, energy, energy.
Yeah.
Where else are you looking to expand operations? Talk to me a little more about that.
Africa has been experiencing the same problem in different setups or in different locations. Like we have seen most countries in Africa have no access to electricity, and they're using solutions that they're solving the lighting and powering problems, but they're polluting the environment. So we are looking towards expanding to different countries in Africa, and like you see, our Waga power packs can go to different countries like Malawi, Congo, Sudan, and Uganda and Kenya, so that people in rural communities can access affordable solutions. You know, the problem is there are solutions which are very fit but are very expensive. So it's a solution that is not affordable to the people. So as we repurpose laptop batteries and create the lithium-ion battery solutions, now is the key that it's a key component, clean energy, but also affordable. The people can pay for the service.
Now, throughout your time in the US, you've met different entrepreneurs, different leaders, different people in different fields.
Yeah.
What exactly have you taken from your visit in America that you think will help Waga expand its operations throughout the continent?
The story started when I was invited to the United Nations headquarters, because I'm one among the 17 young leaders for SDGs representing Tanzania. So I met with young people from all over the globe. You know, young people are very powerful. They're doing amazing jobs out there. So the best key takeaway I saw there was young people are now passionate to champion SDGs and are now passionate to solve problems in their societies. And we talk about young people. They are the future, because most of the times, you know, knowing how to do, we all know how to do different stuff, but doing, so knowing we think knowing and doing we think they're this close, but they're this far. So only few people who know do it. So we are the young people who can now champion SDGs and who can now make the world move very fast.
Vice President Kamala Harris, when she met you guys as young people on the continent, she hailed your innovation.
Yeah.
What was so special about what you produced that you think wowed her as a vice president of the first world?
Yeah, so the best part was her realizing how much Tanzania young people are doing different stuff up there. She was amazed to see my works at Waga, where our team teams up and we take from electronic waste and turning them to providing clean and affordable energy. And the best part was the story, because I come from a rural area where we had no electricity. So we used to travel long distances carrying 5 to 10 mobile phones, send them to a charging station, and we came back and we could return the phones. And what motivated me to do this was one time I was showing a video to my sick grandmother about a wedding that took place in a far town. So in the middle of the video, the phone turned off. So I had to charge it the next day. Then unfortunately she was sick, so she passed away. So I had that pain that had been telling me how many people are facing the same problem in Africa out there. So I told her, like, this has been the passion, and that is what wowed her most of